Okay, so good day. So for this video, we will try to fix or we will try to draw this kind of building. Okay, so let's check for other views. So avoid using similar views, guys. You will have an issue with your matching later. So let's try to use this one. So first, let's draw the base. When drawing the base, again, use E or F tool. Do not use S tool, okay? So let's try. Yeah, I think so. This will do. Drag the wall. Again, the wall, it needs to be exact. So not too much, not too short. Next, for this one, we have four roofs or three ridges. So first, we need to draw this part first. So the first ridge. So when doing so, let's draw and then adjust. So let's look for other views like this one. Yeah. So I think this should be fine. Next is take note, guys, when drawing your ridges, you can connect, okay? You can connect like that, like so. And then draw another one, extend, and then we can just lock uh, here. And let's add our panels. Okay, so again, when drawing your panels, you can slow down. Do not rush. So there's a tendency that your panels won't snap. So if you notice it's color purple, so you can like, easily fix that. So group and then press F4. So the autofix will just fix it for you. Okay, so next, draw this part, our final ridge, adjust, and you can draw our top panel. So again, slow down, no need to rush. So we will use our autofix again. So F4 and then 4. So, and lastly, do not forget to draw the corner. So all buildings should have a corner on them. So when again, when drawing your corners, it's better to uh, check for views that has similar angles. Let's try this one. Yeah, so, and then press I. And lastly, you need to group. And let's try F4 again. Let's check the final results together. So press Alt R. So should look like this. Okay, thanks.